Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Videos. Hope everyone is doing good. So today we are unboxing this Hollyland Lark M2. See, this is one of the compact wireless microphone. So this is how it comes in the box actually. So I'll just read out the specs of this. So the most unique selling point of this mic is basically it's in its compact size. So it's very small in size. More thing to note is basically I'm recording this audio from this Hollyland Lark M2 mic itself because I just unboxed this already, but just I'm re-unboxing it just for you guys. So let's unbox this and see. I'm just re-unboxing this. So this is how the box opens basically. So once you open this box, you can see these so there are some paperwork and there are some awesome stickers here. Basically you can stick the stickers here on the mic, so that's a good thing. You have a variety of almost 9 stickers, so you can choose any one of these and then you can stick it here. So that's one thing. And then there is one card, we are here for you after sales. I think this is a warranty card. And then there is some paperwork here. Basically it is telling you how to operate this mic on different scenarios. So this is one thing. And most importantly, there is this packaging list where you will get to see every component which you are getting it inside in this box. So this is how. So that's all the paperwork. Okay, let's see what's inside. The next thing you can see in the box is the actual product itself. So this is basically the hub. You can place your transmitters and receivers here. So this comes with a type C charging port here. You can charge this hub basically with this type C charging port. And then you have this 4 LED indicators here, right? It will show you the charging status. So as of now it is completely charged, so you can see all the 4 lights are glowing. You can see only one transmitter here because I'm already connected to one more transmitter here, and then one more receiver. This receiver is basically the one which connects to the DSLR. So it's currently connected to my DSLR. I'll just add the pics of it. You can see it there. So these are all things which comes in the box. And then there are 2 separate transmitters for the mobile devices. So basically these 2 are plug and play devices actually. So this comes with a type C actually. So this you can use it for both Android and iOS. For the iOS devices you can use it for 15 or higher series. So and you can parallelly charge your devices with this. So this is the advantage of this. So these transmitter basically they don't need any power actually, so they'll take the power from the device itself. So these 2 transmitters, one is lightning and one is type C. So total these are the things which you are getting it inside. And apart from these there are some accessories, lot many accessories. So we are getting this Hollyland very premium looking pouch inside this box. So let's see what's inside. So you will get to see two clips basically. So 2 magnetic clips. You can stick your mics here and then you can put it inside your shirt pockets, anywhere you can just put these clips. And there are 2 necklace kind of thing where you can basically stick your mic like this. I'll just show you. So basically what you can do, you can stick your mic like this and you can just put it like this, like a necklace. So this is one more thing. So you don't need to stick your mic like this every time, so you can do that. So there are 2 pieces like this for 2 different channels because 2 mics comes with this box. So these are clips actually. And then what else we got inside is basically this is a dead cat. So 2 dead cats we are getting for 2 different mics. So basically these dead cats are useful for especially when you are shooting on a windy, noisy situations where it will block wind noise. So 2 dead cats for 2 different mics. That's good thing. And 1 charging cable. This is type A to type C. So you can use this and charge the main hub. And 2 most important things which are missing in this box, which I currently can't show you. One is this transmitter which is currently here, and then there is one more receiver which I already told that is on the DSLR. So these are the things which are currently coming on the box. So basically these are all the components we got it inside. So this is a great combo actually, where you can connect your mobile device, you can connect your both of your mobile devices, both iOS and Android, and at the same time you can connect it to the DSLR. So this combo pack I got it from Design Info actually. So I got it for a very best price. So I got it for around 11k with all the discounts and all. But in Amazon it is currently selling it for 16k I think. So I think it's a great deal. You can try it out if you're a great content creator or somebody. So audio, anyway you can hear my audio, that's why I'm recording through this mic. So it's a great package, you can go for it. And the most unique selling point of this mic is basically it's very compact in size, and also it gives a charge of 40 hours of battery backup. So it's a great combo, you can go for it definitely. So that's all for today's video, so we'll meet on the next video. Thank you guys.